goes. Welcome to my channel. I am doing this video today for 3 reasons. Before I go into the summary of what this video is going to be about, I want to tell you that I will be linking all my timestamps below, so if there's a specific part of the video you want to just fast forward to, help yourself. I understand not wanting to sit here listening to me chat. You could also just double tap over here to the right of my face and that will skip ahead as well. Let's get started. I'm also gonna be out of breath a lot because I'm super pregnant. Okay, in summary, this video is going to be on 3 topics. The first topic is going to be a generalized thank you, and we'll get to why. The second topic is going to be about my subscriber goal giveaway, and the third topic is going to be about my favorite things in my craft room. I didn't want this to be just a video of me talking to you guys about nothing craft related, so towards the end of the video you're gonna get to see my 5, I think there's 5 of my most favorite items that I absolutely have to have in my craft room at all times. Okay, first, a tiny little bit about me. I am your content creator here on Joanna Crafts You. My name is Joanna. I am a mom. Clearly. I have a toddler who is sleeping currently. That's when I do all of my content creation, all my videos, all my crafts, everything that I work on happens while he's sleeping. I am also a nurse, and right now I don't work that much, which is why I have all this time for content creation. Super exciting. So that's a little bit about me. Moving on to the first order of business, I would like to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I reached my first subscriber goal of 100 subscribers, and that is what the second topic is about. So first, thank you. Second, I have a giveaway going, and the giveaway is going to be drawn. Basically, the winner is going to be drawn this Thursday. So you still have time to enter. The link to my raffle copter is below, so click the link in the description to enter. Excuse me. The main part of the prize that I've listed is that I'm going to be giving away one of my Christmas mugs, but I didn't want to give away the surprise of what everything's going to be. So the secret goodies part of the giveaway in the title is just me pretty much explaining that there's going to be more to it. It's not just a mug, but the winner will get some questions from me. I want to personalize this gift. It's kind of like a Christmas gift, if you will. I wish I could make something for everybody who's here, but there will be more giveaways. My first giveaway subscriber goal was 100. We've met that goal. We're on our way to 500. That's my next goal. Once we hit that goal, there will be another giveaway. Share my channel with your friends if you know anyone who's crafty and likes to create things with their CRICUT. Second order of business out of the way, giveaway, share with your friends. On to the third part of this video, my favorite items that are in my craft room. So, a good pair of scissors. You always want a great pair of scissors and you want them handy. I have a little command hook on my wall right next to my CRICUT, so I can easily grab them and put them away whenever I need them. CRICUT brayer tool. And I didn't actually have this from the very beginning of my CRICUT crafting. But once I got it, I realized that I truly cannot live without this thing. And as far as I know, it never goes bad. It's always good. It's called a brayer tool. But this is really handy to, whoa, excuse me. Lay your mat down and you put your material on your mat. And then to make sure that your material is super stuck onto your mat, you use the brayer tool to push the material into the mat, so there's no air bubbles, no spaces where your material is not stuck to your mat, and it just produces a better cut overall, in my opinion. So I really like to use it, and you will see me using this on pretty much all of my tutorials so far. I use the CRICUT weeding tool. I have seen so many people in craft groups that say that their Cricut weeders like bend at the end. I've literally never experienced this with my rose gold weeder. I have a lot of other Cricut weeders and I don't touch them. I literally always go for this one, but it always works and it's never failed me. It came in a tool set that was 40-ish to 50-ish dollars. I'm not sure. I think I bought mine at Joann's, but I will link the tool set I'm talking about below. Light grip mat. If you've watched my videos, you've seen that I am always using a light grip mat. I use it with felt. I use it with faux leather. I use it with HTV and vinyl and premium vinyl and chipboard. I don't use anything else. All my other mats are way less sticky because I've had them for so long, and these are getting there, but I have so many of them that most of them are still good enough and sticky enough, and most of the time I don't even have to tape anything down. Like sometimes you'll see me with a super thick material like chipboard, for instance. I might tape along the edges just to make sure that it doesn't shift around while the Cricut is cutting. But I've never had an issue with any material not sticking to this mat. I know that there is a strong grip mat and I used to use that and I swore by it, but I only had like one or two and it's not strong grip anymore. My light grip is stronger because I used it so much, and I know there's ways to clean it, but I attempted cleaning my mats and didn't really go so well. So for me, I just use the mats until they cry to be put down, and then I buy more. So light grip mats. If you ever see a pack on Cricut website where you can just buy a bunch of them, I highly recommend it because like I said, I've been using these light grip mats for every single material I cut with my Cricut and I've never had a problem. The only time I use a regular grip mat is if I need the long mats, because I only have a 24-inch mat in a regular grip, the green. I never use the strong anymore because I don't have one that works and I haven't found that I needed it. And I also don't use the fabric because the only time I've really ever cut fabric with my Cricut is when I use like a felt, and I always use the heat and bond, and I will put the heat and bond side down. God, excuse me. I will put the heat and bond side down onto the sticky part of the mat, and because it's like that clear film, it sticks really well to the light grip mat. So light grip mat, the scraper tool, you just have to have it, and this one came in the same tool set that I got my rose gold weeder. The scraper is used to scrape. So the scraper is used to kind of push and really like get your decal onto your project. So I use this with adhesive vinyl, not heat transfer vinyl, right? Because HTV, you're using heat and the pressure of your heat press. I think it's called braying, even though this is not a brayer tool. There's a word for it. It'll come to me. It's not coming to me. And I also use it before putting onto my project. I use the scraper tool to scrape my vinyl onto the transfer tape. So that's something you'll see me do as well. And I believe that the Christmas mug is the only adhesive vinyl. No, the Countdown to Christmas here is also an adhesive vinyl project. So you can see it on this project as well. And can you believe 15 days till Christmas? Oh my God. Bonus, we're gonna talk about this Scotch tape runner. This is it's a green container. It says extra strength, and they're little strips of tape. So they're not dots, they're actually little strips, and they come off of the actual tape runner so much easier. They stick to your project so much easier. With my glue dots, I was like losing them, and I like ripped apart the container to get the leftover dots because I ran out mid-project, of course, which was the only reason I got this, because I went to get glue dots and they were out and I was all mad. But then when I got this home, I realized, oh, so glad they were out of glue dots, because these babies are amazing. Scotch tape, runner, double-sided tape. Okay, so to conclude, I'm sorry if you don't like videos where someone just literally sits here and chats your ear off. I typically don't like that, which is why you never see my face in my YouTube videos and you always just see a step-by-step process. I thoroughly enjoy process videos. I enjoy making them, especially things that I've done a ton of times and I feel confident and comfortable in teaching them. I typically will do a project several times before I ever record to do the project because I want to make sure that I'm doing it in the most like practical way. Anyway, I'm blabbing. I'm not here to blab. I wanted to make this short and sweet. But again, thank you for being here. I hope you've enjoyed my list of the 5, or actually bonus items, 6 6 most used items in my craft room. And I really hope you guys enjoy my channel and this giveaway, and I hope that I can do my 500 subscriber giveaway before my baby comes, because I know I'm gonna be a little distracted come the end of February. Anyway, thanks again. Let me know down below if I should just like never do another one of these videos where I just talk at you. Thank you all.